An easy maintenance tip to help your generator run smoothly and start easy is to change the spark plug every year. Here on this Generac, spark plug's located on the right side. Let's get in there and get her changed. Okay, so here is the spark plug right here on the side of the engine. We're just going to pull this rubber boot off like that, real simple. And then there's the actual spark plug. For this one, it is a 15/16 and it's a tight fit. You see here, I can't get my ratchet in there. So what we'll have to do is in 2 steps. We'll take just the socket, set it down in there flat, and then move the ratchet in to place it, like so. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. There's your old spark plug. We can now use the number on the side of it. You can just go on Amazon and search for this one usually, and they'll be able to find it. Or you can take it to maybe an auto parts store and sometimes they can cross-reference it. While the old one is out though, we want to cover this plug up to make sure there's no dirt or bugs get inside the engine while we're getting the new one. To do that, just simply take a paper towel, just kind of cover the hole, just enough to keep the dirt out while we go get a new one. We've got the new one in. So let's remove the paper towel, and it's just the reverse steps. We've got the plug, start it by hand, just make sure it starts screwing in right, and then take your ratchet, and we're just gonna snug it down. We don't want it super tight. Just snug. And then all you do is take your rubber boot, and you're gonna push it back on. You'll hear a click, and that means it is clicked onto the new spark plug. Now that we've got the spark plug in, another great maintenance deal is to change the oil every year. To know how to do that, you can simply click that video right there and it'll show you how to do it. Or if you don't have time right now, click the subscribe button or our logo and you can come back later and check it out.